Okay, hey everyone! Look, there's been a lot of discussion recently on social media talking about the Muppets coming to Disney parks. There was a series of short videos that came out introducing the hashtag Rainbow Connection Challenge, where the Muppets would call upon someone and let them know that they're thinking about them and hopefully get in touch. They tag the person they're calling upon, and then that person would follow their lead and do the same thing with someone else. Hence, they are Rainbow Connecting. What's interesting is that, yeah, they called upon one or two big celebrities like Stephen Colbert or Mindy Kaling, but they had also called upon several famous Walt Disney Imagineers such as Joe Rohde, Scott Trowbridge, and Bob Weiss. And unless you're a super diehard Disney fan like me, you probably wouldn't know who these people are. That's what made it strange. Why would the Muppets call upon these Imagineers if not many people know about them? So people began to start speculating things.
I heard that there's a new Muppets ride coming.
No way.
They are bringing back the great movie ride, but this time with Muppets.
Wow, really? That's cool. It's a great Muppet movie ride.
There is going to be a new Muppets Land.
Oh wow, 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 wow. I like Kermit memes.
So is that what it is? Are the Muppets getting something big coming? Look, in all honesty, it breaks my heart to say this, but I just don't think so. I personally think it's just a neat little shout out to Imagineering and nothing more. Disney has their projects laid out for them already and their priorities set, and unfortunately the Muppets at Disney parks are not a part of that. I hate to say it, but the Muppets just don't bring in as much attention as they used to, and they don't bring in the crowds as something like Avengers Campus or the Tron roller coaster, and Disney isn't going to get big crowds coming in droves for a new Muppets ride, especially not right now. Disney has taken their chances with the Muppets several times with no big result. I mean, for instance, look at Muppets Now on Disney Plus or something like Pizza Rizzo at Disney's Hollywood Studios. It doesn't really draw too much attention and only appeals to certain people rather than everyone. The hashtag Rainbow Connection Challenge didn't even really pick up any steam or trend, so even that was kind of a flop. And if we weren't in a pandemic, then yeah, maybe something would have been cooked up for the Muppets, but right now, Disney can't afford to take any risks right now or whip up anything that doesn't appeal to the majority of people. They're losing money by the minute because of the pandemic. And look, I love the Muppets, I really do. And I would love to see new Muppets representations or like new Muppets attractions at Disney parks, just any kind of new Muppets. Like, I love them. I'd love to see them at Disney parks. But I doubt that's happening. Not at least right now. I don't think it's happening. I could be wrong. But I just don't think there's really a chance of the Muppets coming to the parks right now until Disney fully recovers. And the only way that I could see the Muppets coming is if it's some sort of like small show or something, but like nothing too spectacular. But I know it's kind of a sad note to leave it on. But anyways, I thank you all for watching. And let me know, do you think that the Muppets will have a presence in Disney parks coming up? Like a new presence? We have Muppet Vision 3D and stuff like that. But do you think a new attraction will come? Leave a comment letting me know. And thanks everyone. I wish you all the best. Stay safe. Stay safe. And as always, adios.